Hi there, this is Avraham with ReConvert. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the image block, how to customize it, and how it works across different widgets and pages. So to access the image customization options, simply click in whichever widget you're in, and then go ahead and click the image block. Just a quick point to note before I go on, depending on the widget that you're in, there may be slight variations in how the image block is displayed and what customization options are available. So always make sure you check the settings within your specific widget to see what is possible. So let's navigate to the image block, whichever widget you're using. Choose an image fit. You'll have two options between cover and contain. Cover will fill the block entirely, but may crop parts of the image. Contain will show the whole image, but may leave some empty space within the block. So decide which one works best for you. Just a quick point to note as well, that if you happen to be using the image block within the post-purchase page, you will also see the max size option, just like this. So by default, ReConvert will display the Shopify product image from your product inventory. But if you wish to upload a different image, a custom image, then you can simply click on this box here and click custom image and select your preferred image. Also, if your product has variants, you can enable the change image according to selected variant option. Moving for a moment to the post-purchase pages, and you'll see that we actually have two columns, which the page is made up of, the left column and the right column. Now, by default, the image block is included on the left column, so you should see this within your post-purchase image block. However, by default, it's not included on the right column, but you can add this by simply clicking Add Block here and then selecting Image. So we can see that the image I've added to the right column is displayed down here. So that's what this is. If we go ahead and hide that, you'll now not see that. So I'll hide that for now. But you can see that you have the option to add both sides of the page. Now, on the post-purchase page, in addition to the one image, which is a static image, which is the same on the checkout and the thank you pages that we covered earlier, you'll also see some further options. You'll be able to select an image carousel, which will display up to 5 images in a scrollable format, which can change based on the selected variant, like so. You'll see the option to select thumbnails. Again, this will display between 1 to 5 images as small clickable previews, which can change based on the selected variant, like this. And lastly, you'll have the option of numbers. This will leave one image and give the customer the option to scroll through by number. Once you're happy with your changes, go ahead and click Save at the top right of the page to apply your updates. And that's it. That's the image block. If you do need any further help, please navigate using the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page to the specific widget that you need help with and look for the Learn More About part here. And if you've enjoyed that video or you'd like to provide feedback or need any further help, you can reach our 24/7 customer care team by clicking the little icon at the bottom right corner or sending us an email at care@reconvert.com. Happy reconverting.